Let's perform a quick fingerprint sensor speed test on POCO F8 Ultra. So over here I have set up my thumb for the fingerprint sensor, and we're gonna see how long does it take to unlock the phone, how long is the animation, and of course how long we have to hold our finger. Now the good news is that we have ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, which means that we can usually just simply tap on the sensor in order to unlock the phone. As you can see, I just quickly tap on the sensor over here on this area in order to unlock the phone, and it works really well. This is of course on the lock screen, so let's also see always on a display. In this case we still have the sensor visible, and as you can see it is just as fast. It is really great. It doesn't take too long to unlock the phone. In the case of AOD it is pretty much the same. The time that is required to unlock the phone is pretty much the same as on lock screen, but of course we can also check the screen off time. So we're gonna go to personalization in order to turn off always on display, and let's see how long does it take to unlock the phone. I'm gonna wait a couple of seconds because as you can see the sensor still is being displayed for a couple of seconds once you lock your phone. So we're gonna wait until it disappears, and then let's see if we can unlock it quite quickly. So the first attempt went really great. It didn't take too long. I'm gonna try to tap now again. I think I mispositioned my finger. There we go. So as you can see, even if the screen is completely off, we can still really fast, I mean the time is really fast to unlock the phone. So this is really great for the smartphone because usually with other fingerprint sensor, I mean on other smartphones, it takes longer. I mean we have to hold our finger for a longer time in order to unlock our phone if we do this when the screen is completely off. Not in this case, however. On this phone, we can just simply tap, just like on the lock screen. Oh, maybe not this time, but yeah, and most of the time I think it works really well. I'm gonna give it one more try. I think I mispositioned my finger again, so one more try just to make sure that it is working well. There we go. So yeah, no, I don't think I have any drawbacks that I couldn't say over here. The holding time is not long. I mean we can just simply tap with our finger in order to unlock the phone, and that's all it matters, I guess. And of course when the screen is off completely, it also works really fast. It doesn't take too long to actually go to the home screen as well. So I think it is a really brilliant fingerprint sensor, really rapid as well, and mostly this is of course due to the fact that it is ultrasonic, not optical. So yeah, nothing to complain about. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.